Okay, the lock I have today is a 7-pin Trioving, owned by S. Abloy. There's the keyway. Pretty typical, has like a chrome coating on it. I got it from, this is a screen name on Instagram. I believe his name is Matt out of New Jersey. We correspond over Instagram and videos and stuff like that. Very nice guy. He sent this to me along with a master lock. He says he got this from a chap from Netherlands at DEF CON. So we will see if we can get into this. I will find my vise, we'll get it clamped up and pick it. Okay, got it clamped up using one of the new Sparrows. I think this is the Matador or the Lunatic. Here's another one. And then I'll use the thinnest Mad Bob tension wrench, 0.8 millimeters. See what we can do. Okay, that was one. That was two. That was three. That was one again. Okay, that was 6 or 7. That was one. And that was one again. Well, that was easy. Some of them feel like the barrel spools that typically come in Triovings. I do not have a key for this, so I cannot screw this up. Okay. And there's a little space in here. I'm actually going to grab a shim and stick it in between just in case something doesn't fall down in there. They are all pinned up. As you see, 4, 5, and 6 are about the same height, so picking may not even come into play with those ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and I'll do 7 on just the outside of here. Okay, these are all standard. Number 4 has a master wafer, no counter milling or anything, just a standard 7-pin Trioving. Oh yeah, I was like, what where the hell are the pins? Forgot I had the shim in here. Okay. Yeah, and they're the standard barrel spools that typically come in Triovings. And it looks like they are all pinned up. And all the springs are the same, just brass springs. Okay. As you see, all the key pins. Here, I'll put 7 above 6. So All standard key pins. Number 4 has a master wafer in it, and then the standard barrel spools from Trioving. Okay, well that's all I have for you for this Scandinavian oval Trioving lock. Thanks a lot, Matt, for sending this to me. I appreciate it very much. If you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. If you like the video, I would appreciate it if you would subscribe. And remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. Thanks for watching.